3 fat-burning tips that you've never heard of before. There are all sorts of pieces of advice about how to burn fat. Some of them effective and some of them not. But if you've tried all of those things and nothing seems to be working, what do you do then? The good news is, you haven't run out of options yet, because there are plenty of other ways to burn fat that people don't talk about quite as often. These are the fat-burning methods that you've never heard of before. Slow down. If you've been trying to lose weight for a while, you've probably tried all of the crash diets out there. But have you thought about slowing down and dieting slowly? When you crash diet, your body will alter its metabolism to account for it. That means that you might lose weight quickly, but you're far more likely to bounce back and put all of that weight on again when you stop the diet. This is such a massive problem for most people that are trying to lose weight, but you can get around it if you just slow the process down. Giving your body time to adjust slowly means that it will maintain a healthy metabolism for the long term rather than changing again when you stop the diet. Focus on reducing your body weight by 1% each week and keep this up for about 3 or 4 months. Then you can start gradually increasing calories to a normal level, and hopefully, your weight should maintain itself. Freeze it off. You've probably heard about liposuction, but that's a drastic solution that most people don't really want to go for. But did you know that you can actually freeze it off? It's a process called cool sculpting, where you freeze the fat cells in your body and removes them. It's not as bad as it sounds as long as it's done right. You don't need to spend loads of money getting it done at a clinic either. There are some great kits for DIY cool sculpting at home. It's one of the most effective ways of losing weight, but people just don't use it enough. Go outside. Obviously, if you're going outside to exercise, then you're losing weight. But even the act of being outside itself is helping you to burn fat, even if you're not out running or cycling. Studies show that body mass is linked to levels of vitamin D, and people that have a deficiency are far more likely to put weight on. You can always take vitamin D supplements to boost your levels, but you might as well just get outside and do your workouts in the sun instead of in the gym. There are so many other great benefits to getting good dose of vitamin D regularly, so you should try to make small changes to your daily routine, like walking instead of driving where possible. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press bell icon.